no touch. Favorite human. Proceed. Proceed when need to draw some blood. Nurse Hilda. Are you being gaslit by a bird? Know the signs. Stop. What? I'm not eating it. You stop. I give this creature the most desired gift of all. Flight. Born to climb. You're stuck, let me help. Don't you worry, human. I got this. Slap. 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 Let me out. Okay, if you promise to be good. I promise. Nothing. Do you like my highlights? You grew new feathers. Molting is tough, I know. I'll preen them for you. This is my bird. He is the worst. He hates me. He destroys everything. Birds are great. 10/10. I'm not supposed to go behind there. But if I take tiny steps and pause, they can't see me move closer. Chicken stop. Stop what? Chicken check. Beep. Safe to walk. Chicken, do you ever think about death? This isn't to scare you away, but to reveal costs you might not expect. Birds are conscious, loving, and funny. 3 days ago, whoop, dropped my millet. Present day, foraging time, millimeter, floor, crumbs. A gift from the gods. Sammy, may I clean your bowl? Yeah, if you wanna get bit. Okay. Have a walnut. Boos. Boop. Male parrots. Hello. What you doing? Good. Bird. Female parrots. Stairs in cockatiel. Burbolingo lesson #1. Beak. Scritch me. Tap asterisk. Stop scritching. Tap asterisk. To be, or not to be? That is the question, whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and tap asterisk.